Okay, I am going to show you how to make your very first circle in Adobe Illustrator. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to the left hand side of your screen. By default, you will be on the selection tool, which is fine. But what you're going to do is you're going to go down in that column and you're going to find the rectangle tool. Now this is usually just a little square and it's pretty easy to find, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold down your mouse and another menu is going to pop up and you're going to choose ellipse tool. Now there's a few ways that you can size your circle and it's up to you as to which one you want to choose. So the first way I'm going to show you is by double clicking. And when you double click, you're going to get a custom width and height. And you can change your width and height to anything you want depending on your project. So let's say we needed the circle to be 400 pixels by 400 pixels and click OK. And there it will be all done for you. But if you really don't care about what height you need for what width and height you need for your project, just delete it and I'll show you a different way to do it. So right now I'm going to show you a way to do it with Smart Guides. So you can see if you go under to View, Smart Guides, my Smart Guides are checked on. And this means that if I hold and drag my mouse out, these crosshairs are going to appear. This little pink cross is popping up, and that is telling me that my circle is perfectly proportional and symmetrical. Now, if I start moving like this, the cross goes away, and this is because that is not symmetrical or proportional. But once I keep dragging, and I'll get it, oh, there we go, I got one, and I can let go, and boom, I have a perfect circle. Now, I'm going to show you the third way, which is if I go to View and turn off my Smart Guides, and I go and I hold down my Shift key and start dragging out, that also makes sure that my circle is proportional. And it's just as easy as that. And you're all set.